Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 29, 9 o'clock America, New York. Middlemen snag carbon credit cash aimed at Peruvian Amazon. Only a small amount of money designated for rainforest preservation reaches the people who live there.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. December 29, 8:53 America, New York. U.S. jobless claims edged higher last week. Filings for U.S. unemployment benefits rose only modestly last week and held near pre-pandemic levels, suggesting the labor market remains historically tight.
Daily FX Market News.
December 29, 8:50 America, New York. WTI oil remains under pressure below $80 a barrel mark. WTI extended its decline today as concerns grow around a rise in COVID cases following China's relaxation of COVID-0 policies. Can EIA data out later today prop up WTI prices?
The Library of Economics and Liberty. December 29, 8 o'clock America, New York. Good news from the job market. Learn to keep coding. You've probably heard the line that various politicians have thrown as a bone to people put out of work in the non-tech industries. Learn to code. BBC News Business.
December 29, 7:38 America, New York. COVID in China. U.S. imposes COVID testing for visitors from China. Several other countries have imposed restrictions on travelers from China as COVID cases surge.
Marginal Revolution. December 29, 7:27 America, New York. Combination rapid tests. Once again, the U.S. is behind on rapid antigen tests, this time on combination tests that let you test for COVID, influenza, and RSV all at once. These tests are widely available in Europe but have not been approved by the FDA.
New York Times Business.
December 29, 7:20 America, New York. Turning the page on 2022. A selection of the best business books of the year. A few tips from readers in the title's Dealbook looks forward to reading in 2023.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 29, 7 o'clock America, New York. Economy has drinkers choosing Prosecco over champagne. Sales of higher-priced liquor and wine are slowing after more than a decade of growth.
Daily FX Market News.
December 29, 5:46 America, New York. USD, JPY edging lower as BOJ announced unplanned bond purchase operation. USD, JPY likely to remain range-bound for the rest of the week with a light calendar and thin liquidity restricting any significant moves.
New York Times Business.
December 29, 5:34 America, New York. More mass cancellations as Southwest struggles to untangle travel meltdown. The airline canceled more than half its flights on Thursday, nearly a week after a winter storm disrupted holiday travel across the United States. A Southwest Airlines check-in counter at Baltimore-Washington International Airport on Wednesday, when the airline canceled more than 2,500 flights.
New York Times Business.
December 29, 5 o'clock America, New York. As Silicon Valley retrenches, a tech talent shift accelerates. Most tech jobs are now in mainstream industries like healthcare, banking and retail, which are increasingly in need of workers with digital skills. Priya Natarajan, a software engineer, left Amazon to work for Optum Labs, a research arm of United Health Group.
Daily FX Market News.
December 29, 2:59 America, New York. AUD, USD forecast. Dwindling Chinese optimism hurts Aussie. AUD, USD trades with caution as Chinese influences push markets into a watchful mode.
Marginal Revolution.
December 29, 2:32 America, New York. Does reducing lead exposure limit crime? These results seem a bit underwhelming, and furthermore there seems to be publication bias. This is all from a recent meta-study on lead and crime. Here goes. Does lead pollution increase crime? We perform the first meta-analysis of the effect of lead on crime by pooling 529 estimates from 24 studies.
Marginal Revolution.
December 29, 0:18 America, New York. In-person schooling and youth suicide. School attendance, possibly through mechanisms of status competition and bullying, seems to raise the rate of youth suicide. This study explores the effect of in-person schooling on youth suicide.
Global Economy. December 29, 0:00 America, New York. U.S. economy can still pull off soft landing, says White House advisor. Heather Boschee tells the FT the Biden administration believes large-scale investments will blunt downturn. Global economy.
December 29. 0 America, New York. Gold buyers binge on biggest volumes for 55 years. China and Russia have been big accumulators of the precious metal in 2022, analysts say.
Global economy.
December 28. 2300 America, New York. UK shoppers rush to buy energy-efficient appliances to keep bills down. Consumers switch to air fryers and heat pump tumble dryers in response to cost of living crisis. BBC News Business.
December 28, 1904 America, New York. Strikes may continue into 2023, warns TUC union. The TUC says industrial action could spread into next year unless the government enters negotiations.
BBC News Business.
December 28, 1903 America, New York. Energy bills. Changes on the 1st of January may cause confusion. Slight changes to gas and electricity rates are likely to add only pennies, not pounds, to your bill.
Day trade review.
December 28, 1449 America, New York. Dilution Tracker Review, a unique tool for stock research. Considering using Dilution Tracker? Read our comprehensive Dilution Tracker review first to see what this tool has to offer. The Post-Dilution Tracker Review, a unique tool for stock research, appeared first on Day Trade Review.
Day trade review.
December 28, 1445 America, New York. Stock Card Review, research tools for investors. Considering using Stock Card? Learn more about this research platform by reading our complete and thorough Stock Card Review. The Post Stock Card Review, research tools for investors, appeared first on Day Trade Review.